Hi, it's Rena with another mini tutorial. I want to show you how you can use semi-transparent stickers in your digital planner. So if you don't know what semi-transparent stickers is, it's a sticker that is semi-transparent so you can place it over text. I'm just going to demonstrate. So this is one of my sticker packs. This is a non-semi-transparent sticker. So if you were to use this in your planner, for example, you can see that this goes over the text. Let's get rid of that. And now this is the semi-transparent sticker. So if I use this one instead, you can see that it's over the text, but you can still read it, which makes it really useful. And there. So yeah, I hope that's been useful. Thank you for watching.